Sarah with Lazy Day Rafts. Today we're going over what to know on the boat to keep you safe. First, one of our staff will hand you your own personal flotation device. You're going to want to put it on. These ones are universal, so really play with the straps. If you don't have it fully strapped on the entire time, you'll be given a $500 fine and a mandatory court date by our lovely police on the boat. Make sure it looks like that. You're just going to want to pull it all the way snug until it does not lift above your head. Every raft also comes with an orange safety bucket that doubles as a bail to get out water from your raft. Comes with a rope. Please don't use it to tie the rafts together. You'll also be fined for that, or you'll swing around the bridge pillars, as well as a flashlight and a whistle. Please don't open this in case you need it, and if you need it, please open it. If you've got your friends next door, you miss them a little bit, you might be tempted to tie yourselves together. Unfortunately, what will wind up happening is you'll swing around the bridge pillars, it'll sandwich you, or the patrol boat will come, give you a fine, or give you a cut. Not a lot of fun. Some better options are paddle to paddle. Someone just grabs it on the other end, you'll stay nice and tight down the river, or just hand to hand, or just go a couple hours without it.
Here's a few other things that you might need to know while you're on the boat.
This video helpful and want to learn more? Please like, subscribe, and ding ding, hit the bell.